Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Samsung S24 Ultra, the latest addition to Samsung's lineup of smartphones. Let's dive right in and see what this phone has to offer. First off, let's talk about the design of the Samsung S24 Ultra. It features a sleek and modern design with a slim profile and a stunning 6.7-inch AMOLED display. The screen is incredibly vibrant and has a high refresh rate, making it perfect for watching videos and playing games. Now, let's talk about the camera on the Samsung S24 Ultra. This phone is equipped with a powerful quad camera setup, including a 108-megapixel main camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, a 5-megapixel macro camera, and a 5-megapixel depth sensor. This combination allows for stunning photography and videography with sharp details and vibrant colors. In terms of performance, the Samsung S24 Ultra is powered by a powerful processor and is available in different storage and RAM configurations. This means that the phone can handle multitasking, gaming, and other demanding tasks with ease. Additionally, the Samsung S24 Ultra comes with a range of features, including a long-lasting battery, fast charging capabilities, and an array of security features to protect your data and privacy. Finally, let's talk about the price and availability of the Samsung S24 Ultra. This phone is available in select markets and comes at a competitive price point, making it a great option for those looking for a premium smartphone experience. And that's a wrap on our overview of the Samsung S24 Ultra. Overall, this phone offers a great combination of design, performance, and features, making it a strong contender in the smartphone market. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more content. See you next time.